Thinking about using Wrike for your project management in 2025? You are in the right place. In this quick but honest review, I'll break down Wrike's pros, cons, and core features so you can decide if it is the right fit for your team or business. Let's get into it. What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based project management platform that helps teams plan, collaborate, and execute tasks. It's especially popular among marketing teams, agencies, and enterprises needing custom workflows, strong reporting tools, and real-time collaboration. Key features. So, what can you actually do with Wrike in 2025? Here are some standout features. Number one, custom workflows. Tailor your task stages to fit any team process. Number two, dashboards and reports. Real-time insights into progress, bottlenecks, and productivity. Task and subtask management. Organize complex projects with detailed task hierarchies. Time tracking. Built-in tracking for managing workloads and client billing. AI-powered work intelligence. Wrike now offers smart suggestions and risk prediction tools to improve planning. Integration Hub. Connect with over 400 tools including Slack, Google Drive, and Salesforce. Pros. Alright, let's talk about pros. What do users love about Wrike? Highly customizable. Whether you are running agile sprints or campaign planning, Wrike adapts. Enterprise grade security. Great for larger organizations needing control and compliance. Robust collaboration tools. Comments, file sharing, mentions, it's all there. Templates galore. Kick off projects faster with industry specific templates. Fast performance. Even large projects load smoothly. Cons. But Wrike's not perfect. Here are a few cons to consider. Steep learning curve. It can feel overwhelming for first-time users. Expensive for small teams. The full power of Wrike comes with higher tier plans. Interface can feel cluttered, especially when too many widgets or fields are active. Mobile app lacks depth. It's functional, but not as powerful as the desktop version. Final verdict. So, is Wrike worth it in 2025? If you are part of a mid-sized to large team that needs deep customization, advanced reporting, and tight integrations, Wrike is a strong contender. But if you are a freelancer or a small startup, tools like ClickUp or Trello might offer more value with less complexity. Either way, Wrike is still one of the most powerful project management platforms on the market. And that's all for today's review. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.